Hello friend, in this video I will tell you how to place unlimited order from AliExpress to USA America. Before video start, if you not subscribe my YouTube channel, please subscribe my channel. First of all, open app, Chrome app, click on Y browser. If you have another browser, you can select. From here, you need open the setting. Please follow this setting. If you not follow this setting, AliExpress may close your order. That's it. Now click on storage option. Redirect external storage. Please enable. Okay. Go back. Chroning option. Chronic mode. Manifest. Ignore crashes. Local activity no kill. Go back. Enable. Once the settings are complete, please clone the app. After the app is cloned, please open it. Now please search aliexpress.com. Now please click on My account. Here click on Sign in Register. Here you can select Gmail, Twitter, Apple and Facebook. I have Gmail account. I will sign up with Gmail account. I have created an account. Now you need to search for the product you need. I want Wi-Fi repeater. I will search Wi-Fi repeater product. You can see $0.99 product. Okay. Scroll down page and you can find another product of $0.99. This is welcome deal product. Now I will select this item. Click on buy now. After I will enter his home address here. First name, last name. Here type mobile number. This is wrong number, not correct. Here I will type address. This is our office address. You can type anything here. I will type fast delivery call before deliver. Now enter, select. I will click on place order. Friend, you can see my order successful unpacked. You can see here $1.04 product. Friend, if you like my video, please subscribe my YouTube channel and like this video. Thank you.